Okay, wait. You would want to hear this. You know when the sunsets hit different? It's right before the rains or right after a fresh downpour. Trust me, the drama in the sky is next level. Now, I know what you're wondering. Where is the sunset? Well, plot twist, we showed up way too early, but we stayed, and slowly the sky started putting out a full blown color changing concert. Moral of the story, never underestimate a moody sky and some good timing. Well, stay till the end because this sunset was worth
ਹੋ
the
ਲੈ
wait.
ਗਿਆ ਹੰਝੂਆਂ ਦਾ ਦਰਿਆ